Is your business struggling with mediocre website traffic and fewer sales as a result? If so, one thing you need to know is it's not your fault. Really, it's your website's fault because your website isn't performing the way that it should. When your website performs poorly, then search engines like Google give it a low ranking. High scores get lots of traffic. Low scores get no traffic. So when your ideal customers are looking for answers to solve their problems, they're going to find your competitors long before they find your listing. That's where we come in. The experts at LSEO know what it takes to improve your website performance and can help you rank #1 on Google and other search engines. More importantly, we can show you how to increase website traffic and sales this year. Sign up for our free webinar and our team's going to show you how to increase website traffic and sales. Click the link below to register right now.